So today we're going to show you how to make quite possibly the easiest ball and loop bracelet you've ever seen. It's ideal for beginners and it doesn't take long to make, so here we go. Right, so to do this I have about 18 inches or about 50 centimeters of cord, and all I'm going to do is get one end and do an overhand knot. So I'm going to wrap the end around my finger to make a loop, get the end, tuck it up and through, and then all I'm going to do is cinch that knot, whoops, down to the end like that. And then all I'm going to do is snip and singe. So just going to take the end off of the paracord like that, and then I'm just going to burn it like that, and then with my knotters tool I'm just going to do that. So there's the overhand knot all nicely done, and now we're just going to wrap the cord around my wrist like that, and where it joins I'm just going to pinch the cord there like that. So now we've got the piece with the overhand knot on top and the other end at the bottom. I'm going to leave about an inch loop like that, and then we're going to do a poacher's knot, which is really easy. So I get my bottom cord, I'm going to wrap it around once, I'm going to wrap it around again on the inside like that, and then you can see there's a hole in the middle, and all I'm going to do is get the end and poke it through the hole like that. Now I'm pinching this end with my thumb and forefinger, and all we're going to do is cinch that knot up. Just give it a bit of a squidge like that, get it together, and there you go. Let's put it on my wrist just to make sure it's okay. It's a little bit tight, so what I can do is just pull this top cord out a bit like that. And when I do it again, it's a bit fiddly to put on, but once it's on it looks quite cool. And now all we're going to do is get rid of this loose end here. So undo, make sure you get the right end. Then all we're going to do is snip and singe this piece here, get close, snip it, burn it, and squidge it in like that. Congratulations, you have just learned how to make probably the easiest ball and loop paracord bracelet out there. If you know of an even easier one, let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to hear from you. And otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to see how to make another easy bracelet, this is a shark jawbone, check out the video up here. Otherwise, see you in the next one.